This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending January 18th, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.78% on Friday and was up 3.69% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1% on Friday and was up 2.91% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.51% on Friday and was up 2.45% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I generate cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was up 9.43% this week, but that doesn't matter much either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin as long as it is volatile. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was MicroStrategy Incorporated, ticker symbol MSTR in the third column. It was up 8.04% on Friday and increased 20.92% for the week. MicroStrategy Incorporated provides artificial intelligence powered enterprise analytics software and services throughout the world. The company, however, is famous for buying Bitcoin and putting it on its balance sheet, which has greatly increased the value of the company. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 6 different option contracts that range from $48.34 to $340.34. I received a total of $710.04 for the 6 contracts. Thus, I beat my weekly goal by $210.04, which puts me on track to beat my monthly goal. My goal this year for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I am sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $710.04 this week? I will probably take it out. Let me know in the comment section. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. Last week it was $897.37, and this week it was $710.04. But my total account value increased by 8.58%. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow or income. What do you use? Do you work? That's funny. YouTube, how many views do you need? Stock dividends, bonds, real estate? What were your related expenses? And how much time did it take you to make your money? My related expenses were 0, and I spent almost no time. Check back every week to see how much cash flow and or income I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.